Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Our fathers like Ebenezer Obey, like Sonia Day. Kilo Day, Buleti Day. They want shakara. Kilo Nsheye, calm down now. This is getting too much, please. And Nigerians are really vexing for you. To lo shoju wa dada ni Tanzania. Kizz Daniel, make you hear word. Nigerians are not happy. You need to see people the way they are just ranting, talking about you. It's not good now. At least represent us very well. Let people speak good about you and speak good about this country, Nigeria. Please do us proud, because Nigeria hands is going up. Don't bring it down. That's just it. That's what I have to say about this.
Okay, yeah, 8:50 p.m. So I was in Nairobi, Kenya for 8 hours. I was at the airport, at the lounge at the airport. It was filled up with people, by the way, because a lot of the flight got cancelled and got delayed that day. So we managed to stay in Nairobi for 8 hours. The time, 8:45, we got on the plane, we flew straight to Dar es Salaam. We got to Dar es Salaam, I think we landed around 11:30. Around midnight, yeah. So unfortunately, getting to Dar es Salaam, we realized that the airlines forgot our bags in Nairobi, Kenya, along some of the equipment we'll be needing for the performance that night. The gears, the costumes, and all that. So we communicated yet again to the organizers that, look, this is the situation on the ground. We spoke to the airlines that showed us that, okay, fine, we'll get the bags, we'll try and work how we can find the bags and get them across to you. So the organizer that showed me that I can still be on stage by 3 a.m. in the morning. So I worked with them on that and said, okay, no problem, I'll compromise, we can let go of that. Let's go, let's make the show happen. So we left the airport, we got to the hotel at around 1:30 in the morning. Yeah, we got to the hotel at around 1:30 in the morning. Yeah. Okay. You good, bro? Yeah. All right. So I sent my band to the venue, of course, to get everything settled for the performance, to do the sound check. Although I was supposed to do that, because that's how I do my sound check. That videos of me doing my sound check in Uganda. It was me, my band, and some of the fans. We had fun. It was good. So I said, okay, fine. I'll stay back because I realized that the fans were already at the venue. Like thousands of the fans were there already waiting for me to perform, waiting for me to get on stage. So it wouldn't be advisable for me to go down there to do the sound check. So I sent the band over to make sure, okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do with the available setup. Unfortunately, they were rushed off the stage because the fans already are supposed to be in the venue. So the band came back, and the band knew us, the hotel, no problem, the show must go on. We contacted a couple of stylists here in Tanzania, because, of course, I left Uganda like in the morning, like 6 in the morning, and I was drenched already. Yeah, like I was drenched already in what I was wearing. I was wearing a pair of slides, my shorts, Yeah, so I was drenched and I needed to freshen up, at least, to be able to put up a great show for the Tanzanian people. So we got a couple of stylists. We were doing the fitting back at the hotel. And then, coupled up with that, there were some unresolved issues between the agency back home and the promoter. And we were also trying to settle that. on the side. Time was going, and then it was past the time for performance. And when we actually came to an agreement that, okay, fine, let's do this for the fans. Let's go on with the show. I don't mind. I'll wear my slides. I'll look this way, and I'll go for the show. The venue was already, the people were already going wild. Fans were already going wild, which I know is out of love. No disrespect to the fans. And then I was advised to stay back. You can't go. It's not safe. So I said, okay. I sat down with the team, the organizers, the promoters. Let's come up with a way, to make it up to the Tanzanian fans. And then we decided to do a makeup show for free this time. I even agreed to partner with them this time, to make the show go on.